Welcome back, continuing the news. To a primetime news follow-up now. He might be close to being released from prison after being lost in the system for 50 years. But George Williams is fearful he may never make it out alive. Mr. Williams was attacked in his cell at the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center on Saturday by a fellow inmate. Kirk Wright has the details.
After 50 years in prison without facing a judge for his murder charge, George Williams first went to court last week. And during his many years behind bars, no one has ever tried hurting George until Saturday, just days before he is to return to court on Wednesday to learn his fate. Attorney Isaac Buchanan went to see Williams today. He was called by prison authorities about the attack.
I was able to see Mr. Williams, and I can confirm that he was attacked. He was kicked in the ribs, and he also has a black eye.
Mr. Williams was treated at the Spanish Town Hospital and sent back to the institution, where it's been reported he's now been placed in the infirmary.
In conversations, in asking him exactly what happened, he said that he was just attacked by a young inmate, much younger than he was, and he felt that it was because his case is now having action and the possibility of him going home.
Mr. Williams is one of several other inmates who got lost in the prison system. He has written to the court saying he doesn't want to die in prison like Noel Chambers, who died in January after being detained for 40 years without a trial. Williams' attorney said the court will on Wednesday decide what is to be done with his client. But until then, he says Williams is worrying about his safety in prison since he was attacked on Saturday.
He is a bit pensive and he's taken aback because in 50 years he's never been in an altercation, and in less than 7 days from his last court appearance he was attacked. And so this is one of the things that can be highlighted as the urgency in dealing with matters in terms of persons who are in prison for deemed unfit to plea for such a long time without any action. And every single day that these persons are left in the institution, anything can happen.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.